Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings, and you're still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spend 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I'm going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The GOLOO GT160 dual-tire inflator and DS200 OBD2 scanner earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the GOLOO store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is complimentary car care, 4 times fast inflation plus professional diagnostics. This bundle covers 2 critical car maintenance needs. The GT160 dual-cylinder air compressor delivers 4x faster inflation than single-cylinder models, quickly topping up car tires, bike tires, sports balls, and inflatables. The DS200 OBD2 scanner offers all-system diagnostics engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, etc., identifying warning lights and issues before they escalate. Together, they keep your vehicle safe and road GT160 dual. Smart, efficient inflation with clear monitoring, the GT160 features an upgraded color LED screen that displays real-time pressure, PSI bar KPA for easy reading. It auto-shuts off when reaching your set pressure, preventing overinflation. Its dual-cylinder design handles up to 150 PSI, making it suitable for cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, and bicycles, compact enough to store in your car trunk for emergencies. DS200. Wireless, full-featured diagnostics for iOS and Android, ditch-wired scanners. This Bluetooth-enabled tool connects seamlessly to your smartphone iOS Android, letting you diagnose issues from the palm of your hand. It offers bidirectional control test components like fans or injectors, 8+ hot reset functions, oil reset, TPMS calibration, live data streaming, and performance tests, professional-grade features at a DIY price. User-friendly design for all skill levels. Both tools are engineered for ease of use. The GT160 has simple one-touch operation and a built-in pressure gauge for accuracy. No technical skills required. The DS200 comes with an intuitive app that translates error codes into plain language, guiding even beginners through diagnostics and resets. No mechanic experience needed. Cost-effective bundle for long-term savings. Purchasing the GT160 and DS200 together saves you significantly compared to buying them individually. This bundle replaces the need for separate inflators and basic scanners and helps you avoid costly garage fees for routine diagnostics and tire inflation. It's a long-term investment that pays off in convenience and savings for every car owner. See more product details. Not in a test environment, in the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is GOLOO GT160. Dual-tire inflator and DS200 OBD2 scanner bundle, all-in-one car maintenance and diagnostic solution. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide. Product information item details brand name GOLOO ASIN B0G57Y818 warranty and support Amazon.com. Return policy Amazon.com. Voluntary 30-day return guarantee. You can return many items you have purchased within 30 days following delivery of the item to you. Our voluntary 30-day return guarantee does not affect your legal right of withdrawal in any way. You can find out more about the exceptions and conditions here. Feedback. Would you like to tell us about a lower price? GOLOO GT160 dual tire inflator and DS200 OBD2 scanner share. Found a lower price? Let us know. Although we can't match every price reported, we'll use your feedback to ensure that our prices remain competitive. Where did you see a lower price? Fields with an asterisk are required price availability website online URL. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below, so you can check if the current discount is still live.